Not the smoothest way to do it, but when your lift sticks, you don't have no choice. I almost broke my palm trying to hit this button. I went ahead and took the cover off of it, but that switch would not come off. I tried jerking the wires off here, and that's when I decided to run and turn the breaker off. And this switch has been replaced because it happened before with the same style switch. So I will be letting this company know, do not use this switch with your lift. Yeah, we bought this lift brand new. It's already been, let's see, going on 5 years old, 6 years old. We replaced the switch before. I'm just thankful didn't pull the whole car off the lift. But I had the air conditioner cleared. I was trying to save a little money, and I had to break the Freon. And was bumping the lift a little bit. I was gonna get to this or see what else was left. I just got this undone, and everything was going smooth until that happened. It's gonna take a minute. This job has been a major pain in the rear. But it's on my mom's car, so I'm trying to keep her in something dependable. But, I'll have to go find at least one line, it looks like. So hopefully we'll get out of this thing pretty cheap. I don't mind the labor. Just trying to save money on parts. Get this thing cleaned up. Get this engine run stand I built under it so I can deal with it. Move it around. It's a mess. Alright. That might work. Clean this mess up. Pull this off for me. Okay. Power steering. Yeah, that's a mess. I have to clean all this oil up. Oil dry. run stand I built came in handy. That was a mess. It took almost 5 hours to clean all this mess up. I had to get all this stuff off. Put that engine on a hoist. I had to get that semi jacked up. And I had to get my engine run stand under it, which worked out pretty good. Use it as a shop dolly when it's not being used for stuff like this. So it all worked out. The only thing I can see got messed up with these two lines. So I gotta order 2 lines. I'm going to order a better switch for sure, because this is uncalled for. Almost broke my palm trying to. I was hitting it and I was over here slapping it. I better not do that, but I had to turn the power off. But I was over just slapping it and beating on it. And I even tried to pull it out. And then I grabbed this wire and I jerked as hard as I could, hoping I could unplug all that, but it wouldn't come unplugged, so I made a dash for the breaker box. Anyway, I'm glad the car didn't fall off the lift. Kind of video some of this, so I'll put it back together. Split this transmission off of it. Get the Cadillac converters off of it. See what's up in this engine bay left, and then I'll call it a video. But if somebody's wondering, I just hung the brakes, the wheel speed sensor off. You gotta take these 2 transmission lines loose, the bumper brackets loose. I left the air conditioner in here hanging. Get this off. There's a line right here you need to take loose. A 10mm bolt. There's 1, 2, 3 body mount bolts. Exhaust, all-wheel drive on this one. Steering knuckle. Transmission lines. There's a fuel line. Heater hoses. And your coolant hoses up here. Your transmission mount, there's 4 bolts. And your motor mount, 4 bolts here. Which I will probably take all those loose to go back with it. I drained the radiator here, so I'll go ahead and close it up. And unplug your air conditioner so you don't pull that line loose. This fender well will have to come loose too. Fender well. And that baby should drop out the bottom for you if your lift don't stick. I can't believe that. And I mean, out of all the times I needed to bump it to just go up a little bit to check things, it just sticks and goes up. That's like a 1 in a million chance. It's a costly mistake, but I got lucky. Only 2 transmission lines got bent. So thankful for that. Gonna order those. Get those ordered tonight. Get them on the way. All right, it's time to get this one. Get this one in the shop and strip it down, check it all out, and get it put in there. Hey y'all, if y'all like what y'all see here on our channel, we'd appreciate if you hit the like and sub button or leave us a comment. It helps our channel out, helps us grow and be able to give y'all some more footage. Thanks for watching Foster's Farm and Garage. Peace out.